angels, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here. If you're new, my name's Lucy, and if you're not new, if you've watched others of my videos, then love you for coming back. So today I'm going to be talking about something that my best friend Ebony got me for Christmas. I legit can't believe. So I entered a million competitions on Instagram to try and win one of these. The Beauty Works times Molly-Mae curling tong. So Beauty Works, why did you never pick me to win one of the competitions? I mean, it's okay now because my best friend's a legend, but wow. I mean, I enter so many Instagram competitions and I feel like I never win, but anyway. So the other day, me and Ebony, we haven't seen each other in a while, and actually I'm just talking about her assuming you all know her, because most people do, but if you don't know her, then I'm gonna put a little link to her channel here because she's just amazing. We saw each other the other day, we hadn't seen each other since before Christmas, so we did our Christmas present swap and Ebony got me the Molly-Mae Beauty Works curling kit. Like, what? I basically had a meltdown. It was amazing. So now I put a little poll on my Instagram last night to see if you'd be interested in me filming a video on testing it, and like over 100 of you said yes, which I can't believe. So yay, thanks for being actually interested, and here we are filming it. So I'll show you the box it comes in. I have already gone in and like taken all the wires off and everything that keeps everything together, but I haven't used it yet. Pink, shiny, what more do you want? Beauty Works times Molly-Mae curl kit. Hello, new hair. Hello, I'm excited. So it says, reign supreme and be a curl queen with my long-lasting curl kit and create big, beautiful bouncy curls that last all day and night. That's what we like. If you haven't watched my bouncy blow dry tutorial, I will put a link here because big bouncy hair is what I live for. So yay, love Molly-Mae. Here we go. Oh, so it comes with a brush. So I have super frizzy curly hair normally, so I brush my hair when it's wet and then that is it, because if I brush it when it's dry, it's like, whoa. But we might give this a go because she brushes hers out, but I think that's kind of because hers are extensions and they're the kind of texture that you would want to brush out a curl, whereas my hair really doesn't agree with brushes, but I mean, we'll see. Cute that it comes with it anyway. It comes with a glove so you don't burn your hands, yay. And I'll tell you why we'll be needing that once we go into it, because I did watch her little tutorial on her Instagram to see how she does it. It comes with all these clips, which is great. I mean, you can always use clips when you're blow drying, curling, straightening, whatever, so that's really handy. And then the curling tong itself, it's pink. I mean, I love Beauty Works Professional. And there we go. Not much more to say about that apart from it's really cute. Today, so far, I've had a shower, I've washed, oh my hair keeps getting stuck in my lip gloss. Anyway, I've had a shower, I've washed my hair, and then I blow dried it. Not with my blow drying brush that I normally use to create the big bouncy blow dry. I've got a Revlon blow drying brush. I don't actually know what it's called. If you want me to do a video with that, let me know. I haven't so far because literally all I did to make my hair like this was just brush it through. There was no technique or anything. I literally just sat there and brushed it, and it is nice. It's a good brush. It doesn't create, for me, like breathtaking, amazing hair like my big bouncy blow dry that I love, I feel like is so gorge, but it makes my hair nice. It makes it sleek, smooth, way better than if I just left it to dry naturally. And because I've got frizzy curly hair, if I'm going to be curling my hair, I cannot just go in with the curling tongs because I'd have all frizzy curls up here. So this all has to be sleek before I curl my hair. That doesn't necessarily mean the same for you. If you've got straight hair already, you can probably just go straight in with the curling tongs, or you might want to blow dry a bit for some volume up the top. But you do you for this section. But now we're going to go in with the curling tongs. I'm kind of nervous because it's not me showing you how to do it. I'm literally testing it right now, but great. The clips, I don't think I'm going to use because she uses them to kind of pin the curls to her head. But because I've got really curly hair already, when I do curl my hair, the curls stay. Like, I do not need to be pinning them. Like, they're not dropping. They will stay until I next wash my hair. But if you've got hair where the curls drop out, then it would be a good idea to, once you've done the curl, to clip it in place until your whole head's finished. Maybe give it a spray of hairspray. Depending on your hair type, if your hair drops out, then those clips are going to be a lifesaver. Okay, so once you've plugged it in, it still does just say off. So you need to switch it on, and then the first temperature that comes up is 180. I'm going to whack it all the way to the top, which is 220. I'll put the glove on while I wait. Now I need to think about what hand I'm going to be. Okay, I'll put the glove on this hand. it just looks like a normal glove. So I hope this actually does help with the heat. What she does on her tutorial is kind of takes a section. Something I'm guilty of is not curling my hair the right direction. So she said you need to curl it away from your face. So I've taken a section, it's quite a big section because that's what she said to do. And then when this is ready, it's on 215, so almost, I'll put it like that and then wrap my hair around away from my face. Okay, it's on 220. OMG, she says to leave it about 10 seconds, but I don't know if that's because she's got straight hair. I might leave it for about 8 and see how it goes. So let's go. I mean, the glove's working, I can't feel any heat. And then she drops the curl into her hand and holds it there, which I can feel the heat through, and I don't think I'd be able to hold my hair if I didn't have this glove on, so that's really good. So I'll just hold it till it feels like it's cooled down a bit and then let go and see what we've got. I'm scared because if that's bad, then it's bad. I'm sure it won't be. And if it is, then it's going to be my hair that's the problem. Oh, wow. That's lush. That will drop a little bit as well. But that is so much nicer than my current curlers, the way the curl has gone. It's like big, because my other curlers, the barrel or whatever, is smaller than this, so then they go really rubbish. I mean, that's beaut. That's beaut. Okay, let's do the rest of this side and then report back. Wrapping it round, and then I'll hold for about 8 seconds again. And then release it into my hand. I've never done that before with curlers, so that's a good tip from Miss Molly-Mae. Oh, and sorry that I keep not looking at you and I'm looking above you. It's because I'm looking at myself in the camera screen to see what I'm doing. They've not got a mirror. I love this glove. Normally I'm burning my fingers all over the place, so that's good. Oh, it's beaut. I love, this is literally my new favourite thing. Thanks, Ebony, you amazing girl. Okay, and right, because I'm doing quite big sections, I think I'll only be doing about 5 curls, so it's really quick as well. So let's take those 3 more sections, and I will speed this up now, just so not to bore you. I'm just going to say these last 2 sections do feel a bit bigger actually, so I will leave them for 10 because there's just going to be more hair to curl. Right, so we've done that side. I'm just going to put these down. So now Molly, well, first of all, she'd do the whole head, but I just am too impatient. But she would brush these through. If you've got sleek hair, I mean, by all means, use the brush, but I'm just scared to do that because my hair is so frizzy. And so normally, oh, should I just do it? Let's do a test. I'm going to brush this side and not brush this side. So once I've done those. So here's for my frizzy gals out there that know that we just should not brush our hair. Okay, I'm brushing it. I mean, the brush is a really nice brush, to be honest. I feel like it depends what look you want to go for. I feel like this is more going towards, like, do you know, like an old-fashioned glam? I love the curls, but I like my curls to be more, I don't really know what I'm trying to say here, but I think the side that I'm not going to brush, I'll prefer, but still with the brush, I'm really happy with those. It's beautiful big curls and it's really bouncy. And to be honest, if I even just ran some oil through there, it would feel gorge. Again, because that brush was really delicate and nice, but that is beaut. Yay, I just love big hair. I feel like that is so glam. And I'm not going to brush this side and show you, but then for the final look, I probably will just brush the whole thing because then it will all match. So let's do the same on this side. I'm going to start at the back this time. Where's my glove? So now, because we're going away from our face, you'll want to just make sure the way you're pulling the hair is going the opposite direction to your face. Oh my goodness, is that going in the right direction? Yeah. I don't even think that was 8 seconds. Oh golly. Beauty. Okay, let's switch these off. So, this side is non-brushed, this is brushed. So I feel like the brushed ones look a bit bigger. These definitely look silkier, but that's just my hair. I'm trying to think what I prefer. First of all, can I just say, I'm focusing too much to even say, OMG, I love them. I love this big bouncy hair. I love Ebony, my friend, for buying them for me. I can't believe it. Best Christmas ever. But what do I prefer, brushed or non-brushed? Tell me what you prefer in the comments. I don't know. I actually feel like brushed, I look a bit more, not that I look any way, shape or form anything like Molly-Mae, but I look a bit more like Molly-Mae because she obviously brushes hers out, and then they just go a bit more like, I don't know if Hollywood glam is the right era, but smoother maybe. But these definitely look sleeker and shinier and bouncier. I'm gonna brush these out just to match the other side. Yeah, maybe it is Hollywood glam. I love it though. I feel like my hair just looks so bouncy and cute. Let's give it a little flip around. My camera stopped recording, so that's rude. Flip about just to get it all a bit more mixed in with each other, getting it look a bit more natural. I mean, you know I love big hair, so this is so me. And it was so much quicker than doing a bouncy blow dry, which, I mean, bouncy blow dry will forever be my fave thing, but when you haven't got time, when you're in a rush in the morning and your hair just looks a bit poo and you're like, what should I do? Brushing them out has definitely made them bigger. I'm feeling my hair, it's bouncy, it's beaut. I love. From the back, oh, I mean, that's gorgeous, isn't it? New fave curling tongs for sure. My old ones are going out the window. Thank you, Ebony, for this amazing present. And thanks, Molly-Mae and Beauty Works for creating something really cool and great and easy to use and quick. And just look at all that bounce. Yes, big hair, love, great. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you buy them as well, or if you've got them already. Send me pictures of how you do your hair. And if I did anything today that you were like, hun, that's not right, you should have done it like this, then tell me, because love to learn new things about how to make my hair look better. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you've got it, send me pictures, tell me any tips, and yes, love big hair, love this. See you next time, angels. Thanks for watching. Bye.